Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for an Ipsy unboxing. So this is my Ipsy August unboxing, and for those of you that might be unfamiliar with Ipsy, I love this. It is a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month. You always get this wonderful pink bag, or I think one time it was a different color, but most of the time it's this beautiful pink bag that you can reuse, and I like to send care packages to my kids in it, or my daughter, I guess. You always get a makeup bag. This how cute this little tassel is. So it's an orange like fabric bag with a pretty yellow zipper, and it says Ipsy right here. And then you get 5 sample size things, and you don't really know what they are. At least I don't ever look or check it out or any of that. So this is Shine Your Light, You're a Star. For a soft, radiant look, choose the Universe's Star Highlighter and check us out on INM Cosmetics. So this is called Twilight, the Universe's Star Highlighter. So, oh, I didn't even see. I thought this was the top. That's pretty. So, let's see. Ooh, very nice, very nice. And it is a highlighter. INM. Very pretty. And let's see, this is a Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. And it's in the color Whenever Walnut. So let me see if I can open this thing without killing myself. And it is like a light brown eyeliner or crayon or whatever you call these. I call them eyeliners. I think it said crayon, but hey. I don't know what else you would use this for other than an eyeliner. Would you use this on your lips? I might try to read the packaging here in just a second if I can get this packaging off. Do. All right. It doesn't really say, it just says makeup pencil. But it is this color. Not bad. I don't know if I will wear it or not. Why do I keep trying to open that again? Here's my little selfie with no filter is what this bag is all about. Bang Beauty eyeshadow. That reminds me, I got some other eyeshadow in my BoxyCharm box, and I showed my daughter and she didn't like it either. If you want to know what that is, you'll have to go look at that video. Ooh, now these are my colors. Oh, these are really pretty. Yay. I'm loving these eyeshadows. Very nice. This is called Smoky eyeshadow by DLS Cosmetics. Yay, now that's a definite me, and that's a good travel size something. So I also have organic B&B cream in the color Golden. I think it's in the color Golden. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. So BB cream. And 1, 2, 3, 4, I have one more thing, 5. And this is 3 times Sublime 3-in-1 Blackhead Wash and Scrub and Mask. I am going to send this, I think, to my son because he likes face cleanser. Apply to a freshly cleaned and dried skin. Apply a thin coat over the face. Oh, this is a mask, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Maybe I won't send it to him. I don't know if he'll do a mask. My daughter would though, so I might give this to them. But that's what I got in my Ipsy box this time, and I actually love these two things, especially this. This is my favorite, but I will keep all three of these. I will probably give this one to Katie and this one to Katie or Alex, whichever one wants it. And there we go. So thanks for watching, guys, and check out Ipsy. Go to ipsy.com and you can get this too. Bye-bye.